Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Edna. I'm back again, and this time
every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
I'm definitely making you something great on this channel. Like I told you guys last year, I'm gonna be incorporating a lot of lifestyle choices like food when it comes to all my skills, my little skills my mama gave me. That's the cooking skills.
Some jerk
pretty
chicken
much.
oven right
I'm
now.
gonna be showing off some
It is cooking, baby.
affordable cooking skills here.
Yeah, that's my version of
beef
jerk
chicken
for the Thanksgiving. And my sister is doing
on the
some nice
budget,
beans
as well as,
turkey, Rebecca.
you know, traditional food, international food, my own recipes. You know, when my pantry is going empty, when my refrigerator is going empty, I'm just going to be showing you guys some of my realistic cooking skills and how I come up with these recipes on my own. I try not to let recipe hold me back from getting my meals, so I usually work with whatever I have with me in my refrigerator or my pantry, and that's exactly what I'm gonna be sharing with you on this channel. So these are just random review of stuff I've been doing, and it's just a review of some of what you're going to be seeing on this channel. Originally, I am from Liberia, West Africa, so we make a lot of spicy food, and I think we have one of the best cooking in the world. So I can't wait to share. Yeah, that's the tteokbokki. That is one of my favorite dishes. Yummy, yummy. I might just share the recipe one day with you guys. Yeah, so these are traditional, you know, meals and very delicious. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna be sharing with you some breakfast, snack choices. Yeah. Tell me in the comment what you expect to see, what dish you want me to prepare, you know. So I'm gonna be at least dropping one cooking video a week on this channel, and I'm not a nutritionist, just to put it out there. I'm now vegan. I just eat whatever I have, and don't hold me accountable, okay, you guys? Don't hold me accountable for your lifestyle choices. Stick with your health choices, and I hope I serve you something good on this channel, okay? So pretty much, I can't wait to see how you like this side of lifestyle with Edna. Especially the food part. Oh my. Get the subscribe. Love ya.